The purpose of a grader is to select out the sizes of beans that a farmer has brought to us. And at this level, we produce 4 screens of coffee. The biggest being screen 18, followed by 17. We have recently introduced screen 16. We have 15 and screen 12 being the smallest. So as the coffee drops on that table, it begins to collect itself in those sizes. And it will all roll down and get into the storage. As you see, inside are partitions. So these partitions help us not to fix up, to mix up the coffee. Every bean that drops here goes in its own apartment. For example, screen 17 will collect in screen 17. Screen 12, screen 15, and screen 18. And this helps us to collect screens of coffee as a client will have requested us to do. So at this level, we have identified how much of coffee per screen has our farmer brought. For example, in 10 tons of coffee, we are now able to tell that in 10 tons, we have like 5 tons of screen 12. We have 2 tons of screen 15. We have 1 ton of screen 18. We have like 800 kilograms of screen 17, and so on and so forth. At this level, our coffee is not yet very clean. In this plant, we are particularly looking at quality. So as we are looking at quality, we still have to drive this coffee a step more. We begin to drive this coffee per screen. So when I open this valve, it means I'm going to clean screen 15.